Meaning of genetic engineering.
Genetic engineering.
Genetic engineering.
Genetic engineering.
Genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the process of manipulating the genetic material of an organism to change its characteristics. This can involve adding or removing specific genes, altering DNA sequences, or introducing foreign genetic material into an organism's genome. The ultimate goal of genetic engineering is to enhance desired traits or suppress undesirable ones. It has been used in a wide variety of fields including medicine, agriculture, and biotechnology. The application of genetic engineering has led to the development of a range of important products like insulin, herbicide-resistant crops, and biodegradable plastics.